Hey everyone, Mark here, your Indition Form Builder Specialist. And with this video, I will show you how to include spam protection into your forms. To give a little background, including our spam protection or the reCAPTCHA service we are using, it can be a useful tool in your forms for protecting your website from unwanted spam. So let's dive in. The spam protection feature is located in a couple different places. I'll go through the process of building a form and designing a form to show you. So for example, you've just created a name and email form by selecting the elements on the left side here. We have first name, last name, and email, and your submit button. Now we want to create a new form design. We have to click the Save Form button in the top right, and then click on Create a Design in the middle. And then we get taken to the Create a New Form design. For the structure, we'll keep it single page. We can name it Name and Email Demo. And here's where we get our first option to include spam protection. If we want it, we click the checkbox. If we don't, you uncheck it. For this example, we'll have it checked. So we go to Save. Next, we will go to the left here, Add All Fields. And then as you can see at the bottom, the reCAPTCHA spam protection has been added. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, there are multiple ways to add or get rid of spam protection. The most convenient is to click on the Form Settings button in the top right corner next to Edit Form and Preview page. It will then show you a preview of your form, and on the left-hand side, you will have the option to turn on spam protection or turn it off. So here we're shown spam protection, and if we didn't want it, we just uncheck, save changes. It would load and update in real time. And there you have it. Now you know how to include spam protection in your forms. Thanks for watching.